Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. So in today's video, we are going to be doing a little bit of organizing. It's almost springtime, so I am very eager to get down and dirty into these kitchen cabinets and get them organized and cleaned. So if you guys would like to see how I clean and a little bit of organizing, then just keep watching.
So I'm going in with the Method all-purpose cleaner in the scent Pink Grapefruit, and I'm going to go ahead and wipe down the table and the counters. Go ahead and load the dishwasher with what's in the sink, and I'm also going to give the high chair tops a good scrub and also the high chairs. Again, I'm using that Method all-purpose cleaner that I used in the beginning of the video to clean the high chairs. Now we're going to go ahead and get into the organizing. As you can see, I'm going to take everything out of the cabinets. For some reason, I started organizing, and then I realized that the dishes needed a good scrub because there was just gunk and dog hair all over them. Okay, now that everything is washed and cleaned, I'm gonna go ahead and take all of my glassware, give it a good little dry, and then I'm gonna put all of it in this basket. Second basket, I'm going to be sticking smaller items and miscellaneous things. To finish up drying and pairing all of the Tupperware, and then I'm going to head over to the Tupperware cabinet, and since I already vacuumed it out, I'm going to go ahead and just wipe it down. To wipe down the inside of the cabinets, I'll be taking this 7th generation multi-surface disinfectant cleaner. So as you guys can see, I'm basically just taking like-shaped containers and I am stacking them on top of each other. This helps save a lot of room inside of the cabinet, and it also makes it look a lot nicer. Now we are going to go ahead and move on to the pots and pans. As I did in the last cabinet, I'm just going to take everything out, give it a good sweep, wipe it down, and then stick everything back in. My pots and pans were not as dirty as my Tupperware because the kids do not really get into this cabinet. So like I said, it just stays a lot more clean. So doing the dishes and wiping these down would not be necessary. Now, just a few months ago, I actually cleaned underneath this cabinet, and over time, it just accumulated some dirt and things got put in the wrong spot. So I'm basically just gonna go ahead and clean out all of the dirty little baskets and make sure everything's back in its original place. Okay, and that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope this was helpful to you. And if you could, leave me a comment below. Let me know how you like the video, and also give me some future ideas on some videos that I can make for you guys. All right, well, that is it, and thank you guys so much, and I'll see you next week.